What is going on, guys? Corey back here with CA Tech Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about the top information technology stocks that I see value in, honestly, for the rest of the year. So if we go ahead and just go ahead and dive into it, over here on the right hand side, I've got my watch list for IT. So we'll get straight into it. First on my list is Tesla. So I have them sorted basically by the change today, just the actual dollar amount, not by percentage. But Tesla had a very good day, almost clearing 5% in a daily change, which is almost, was due. If we look at the news here, I know. Yeah, so Tesla rises after posting record deliveries in their second quarter, which really caused a huge up push. So unfortunately, I mean, none of us could know, but if you're holding Tesla, you made a killing, and then we kind of spent the rest of the day downtrending. But overall, Tesla. One of my goals in life is actually to own a Tesla. So this is a company that I love. They make really cool cars, and I think they really do have a future. I know they definitely have had, if we look at like the daily and go down to year to date, we've had a pretty rough, rocky past year for them. It's the 3 years now. I mean, we're spiking up and down, and we're actually at a low point comparatively to what they used to be priced at. But overall, it's a great company. Elon Musk does kind of screw them over sometimes, but I think he's good at what he does. The next one was Google. Today, Alphabet. They cleared. So I know there was a lot of push-up because everybody was getting in positions, and then most people were selling off because we don't want to hold it, for a day and a half with the market being closed. Next one is Netflix. Strong, almost 6.29 percent on the day, and then 1.1 after hours. So really nice. A change. $6.29. It's 1.68%. I got that mixed up. Next is Amazon. Amazon's one of those stocks. Growth, but it's just too much money for a smaller account that I feel comfortable putting 90%, 80% of my account value into one stock. Next is Adobe, the software. So year to date, they're looking pretty strong. They're up $4, 1%. So pretty nice. We actually did have quite a few stocks in the green. Go a little bit quicker now. We have Facebook, 2.2%. Sorry, $2.20. Coupa software up about 1.3%. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. This is one that I used to own. I did see potential, and I still do to this day in Nvidia. They've really had a rough time. So if we look at like the 2 years up until September, we had a very strong, continuous pointing up, simple moving average line. But when they fell, I forget the news exactly. I believe it was with cryptocurrency falling down, Nvidia making the GPUs and graphics cards they weren't. It caused a really drastic sell-off, and now we've kind of just been even consolidating over the past couple months. If you look, we go up and then shoot back down, and now we're on. Also been one that's been pretty up and down here recently. So we go to 5 minute, 5 day. So yeah, we're shooting up, crazy shooting down the next second, and then dipping and then coming back up. So I would kind of stay away from this one. The 10 days is looking pretty rough too, and the month as well. We had a nice little push up and kept going, making higher highs, and now we're making lower lows, and this is probably what I would consider consolidation. So what could happen is if we zoom in a little bit, right? So now this could go back up to where it was. You could definitely push up back to its over $100 price range, but it could very well just shoot back down again, even lower to its $89. So it's in this consolidation phase. So this is one that I would kind of just set your alerts, keep a close eye on. And then the next one is be Intel. The tech industry in the past, since December has been rough. So the 5 day, 5 minute, like I said, if you've watched any of my other videos, it's been pretty choppy here recently, the past week of the market. But let's look at the day, year to date. So I mean, yeah, we're a very strong push up, and then nearing the May, we have a drastic sell-off once again, and now we're just kind of pushing back up. So this is definitely one that I see value in right now, because this is what I would consider consolidation phase. Just low points, high points, low points, high points, low points, high points, low points, high points, and now we're starting. We had a really good push up, and now it looks like if you look, we're making higher highs. So the last high was 48.20. Now we're at 48.52. And it doesn't look like the next resistance is going, it's $51. So we have still quite a bit of room. And then after that, if we break above that, not saying that it has to or it will. This is just all kind of speculation here. So if I draw this kind of resistance line here at 51.80, right? So we have quite a bit of margin here to work with. And then after that, if we look, the next resistance line, I would probably mark somewhere right there, which is a much better, in my opinion, much better margin that I like. So as you can see, if I draw a support line here, it's bouncing off the support line and just keeping making higher highs, and that's kind of what I mean by that. So it's fabled enemy, I guess, would be AMD. So they're down on the day. We're getting into the stocks that are on the downtrend, not the downtrend, but down for the day at least. And so AMD is definitely in a group that I'm in. We definitely see AMD, especially with their partnership with Google pushing up. We definitely see value in AMD, especially for the long haul. But I don't know 10 minutes and I feel like I've been rambling, so I apologize about that. So this is STNE Stone Co. They're down on the day. Twitter, the semiconductors, IQ, and these are some Chinese ones, based in China. Baba. A lot of people really love Alibaba Group Holdings, but seems like I've been burnt with in the past with them. They definitely do have like a nice looking chart here. Of course, we can't kind of just discourage this dip, but I mean, if we draw some resistance lines, it looks like it's pretty close to the next resistance at 177. So this is just really not too much margin of profit for me. But we'll definitely set our alerts, and if we break above that, the next resistance we're looking at is 195.24, which is a little, much better, $20. Not like I said, this is totally just speculation. But usually once it breaks above, and we are starting to make higher highs here. But I would really like to see a confirmation for it to break above this 177. And then this is definitely one that I could see myself. So it has a really nice looking, high highs, or much, higher highs and lower lows. Um, but it's a little bit more choppy for my liking, especially as like a company like Netflix, which it's very clear which direction that Netflix has been going, especially for like a 3-year mark. So those are the stocks, but all of these I'm definitely keeping an eye on. With and if you do like the video, make sure you leave a like, and then if you're interested in me covering my other watch lists for the different sectors of the market, you can just leave a comment below, but if not, as always, I hope we end in the green. Peace out.